you want to learn something faster on Samsung, you want to learn something faster and you are using Samsung, let me give you example. Like this thing, look at this my arrow. You see that this place is controlling, I'm controlling it, you understand, separately. It's not controlled with this place, you know. For you to go into some lectures, neither on YouTube or Facebook, there's some features on Samsung. I don't know, maybe other phones are doing it, but all my gadgets are Samsungs. That is why I know much about Samsung. Yeah. Now, if it can work on other products, you can check of it, but I don't really know. Maybe if I can find out for you guys. But now for the Samsung user, something like this to sleep your screen, one will be controlling here, one will be controlling here. This is my note. Maybe I want to write something, this I want to write something. I open another note, when I open the note. Okay, this is my Bible. I'm reading. This is my Bible. This is my Yoruba version, and this is my English version. Now let me teach you how you can do such thing like this. Let me go back to my normal screen, phone screen. Now what you do is you want to double screen like this, then click on any apps you want to use. Let me say, okay, I want to learn something from YouTube. Then you click on YouTube. When you click on it, it's going to open like this. Then close, close the app, close that app totally. Then you come to minimize room like this. You see you used to familiar with this thing, where you will see all your apps that are minimized under here. Then that particular apps, you click here, not here, not the main screen of the thing. You click on that logo, you click on that logo. This is YouTube. You click on that YouTube logo. Okay, this is WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp. You click on it might not bring it here. I'm just using this one as an example. You just click on this logo. You understand? Now want to use logo, you want to use YouTube. Then I click on YouTube. It will open for you like this. Then you click on open in split screen view. Click on it. When you click on it, it will split the screen for you, and it will still open that app that you want to open, like that YouTube. You can see this place is not controlling this place, you see. Then this is the scene. I want to learn about something here. Okay, let me go into my page to just look out for something there. This is my page, TB Shine Money Making Academy. This is one of my training page, you understand. Okay, let me say how to reduce your data. If you come on this page, you see this thing, how to reduce your data, data usage on phone, for your phone not to be consuming data. You will see it here. Now that is the phone, this is the video, so that some people, when you want to do something online, some people are scared of their data, all this thing. Or what you can do, how you can do that, I've explained every thing on this phone, on this video. You can just come to my channel, TB Shine Money Making Academy, and search for how to reduce your data usage on phone, and it will bring you here. Then you can sleep it. What I'm trying to show you, that how you can learn something on YouTube. Now on this YouTube, now I want this to give me a lot of room here, because what I want to open, do you see how it looks like now? Don't make it go like this. If you leave it like this, it will close up that YouTube, that app up there. Then make it full a little bit back. This is how it is before. Then I make it, I drag it up a little bit. You can use your hand, it should come smaller little bit like this. Then I come down here now,
data usage, meaning
now
the way your phone is consuming data, it might somehow.
Now what I want to do now, you just listen to, I will be listening to what this video is saying, and I'll be doing the instruction here. The instruction that is giving me, I'll be doing it here. This is another page entirely. Then let's continue. I may not talk again, but listen to the video and show you how it works here. Now
Click on settings. I've clicked on settings. Click on it. When I click on it, just be follow the arrow, this mouse arrow, just be follow it.
Now, did you see what I'm doing here? Do you see that it's not affecting this place? It's not affecting, they are not affecting each other. And I'm working here, you work here. When I'm working here, I'm working here. If I want to make this one to be a little bit larger, I drag it down. You understand? You click, you come here on this three dots, you click it and drag it down a little bit, you know, and leave it. You know, do you see how it look like? Then you can drag it to anywhere you want. Then if you want this page to come down and this place to go up, what you are going to do is click on that, click on this that three dots, you know, and just click on that three dots, these three dots. Let me okay, these three dots, you just click on it. When you click on it, it will open for you like this. Then click on this double arrow. This is a switch downward, you know, see, just click on it. When you click on it, the thing will switch automatically by itself. If you want to reswitch it also, it's going to reswitch by itself. Thank you. This is how you can learn anything faster on Samsung or on your gadget by using double screen on your phone at the same time. Thank you. Please can you subscribe to this channel? Give me thumbs up, leave your comment. If you have any question, you can send it to me on this under this video, and I'm going to definitely reply you. Thank you very much. This is TB Shine Money Making Academy. Bye for now.